Hey guys, if you're looking for the pitcher plant in a grow a garden on Roblox, here's a quick tip. Normally, you can find the pitcher plant seed in the seed shop, usually under the swap biome category or in the special seed section where they sell rare plants. But heads up, sometimes it doesn't appear right away for everyone. It depends on your progress, the version you're playing, or if there's an active event. That's why in my shop right now, I don't see it yet either. But here's a tip. Keep checking the shop, especially after you unlock new biomes or level up. Seeds like pitcher plant often show up later on. You can also try buying seed packs that mention swap or rare. There's a chance you'll get it from there. Once you have it, plant it in the swamp biome for the best result. So you don't need to worry if it's not in your shop yet. Just keep playing and it will unlock soon.